Deep breath for me. All the way out. Nice. Oh, deep breath. And they get out of alignment easier too. Perfect. All right, let's go face up. Let me check the neck. Relax and retreat. Great. Oh man, your ears are just red now. Deep breath. All the way out. This should be for the heartburn. All the way out. Good. There it is.
Feels very stiff. Drop into the left here. Very tight. Hold the shoulders. Put your chin forward. And bend forward again.
Let's have a deep breath in. Oh yeah. I know that was a home run. That's it. Oh yeah, that's what they love. That's why I never talk when I'm doing those. There. Excellent. Good.
There we got it. Perfect.
Drop into my left hand. Did I do that?
No.
Alright. Drop into my right hand. Put your chin on your chest and keep it there. Bend forward a little bit more. And another one. Have I hit you yet? Okay, let it roll off. Especially a tender, slow gentleman. Look at that lovely adjustment.
Take a deep breath for me, Ash. Let it all out. Oh yeah. Home run. Now let me get your neck here first. That's the way. Nope, let me have this one. Tilt left a little bit. Okay. Okay, now just exhale. Oh yeah. Good. And just keep breathing, my friend. Good job.
Respira fundo. Solta. Ótimo. Perfeito. Solta o ar. Relaxa. Solta mais. Ótimo. Perfeito. Solta o ar. Solta. Aí. Respira bem fundo. Solta. Ótimo.
We're going to get some movement here in the neck, okay? Relax here for me. Very good. Okay. Relax right here for me. Excellent. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Excellent. Relax right here for me. Good. Excellent. Good. Okay, we're gonna get some movement down here. Tender here. Good. 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 All right. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Breathe in. Completely exhale.